In this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate signature in DocHub. Now, there's actually no direct way to do this, so if I go to the sign button and I actually put on a signature, as you can see, there's no way to actually rotate it. However, there's a nice workaround I found you can use. It's a bit lengthy, but it's still going to work very, very well in case you want to rotate your signature. So let's do it right now. Now, I'm going to remove this one. I'm going to go to sign over here, and I'm going to create my signature. Now, it's up to you if you want to use a signature you already have or the one you are just going to write right now. So I'm just going to, for example, sign over here like instant. There we go. Let's say this is my signature. And what's going to happen, of course, is let's say I want this to be like a bit more rotated. Of course, I could go ahead and do it manually, but we're not going to do this right now. We're just going to use this one and we're going to rotate it just a bit using my method. So I'm going to go to save and I'm actually going to go sign and I'm going to use this new one I created and I'm going to put it on here. There we go. And let's say this is the one we want. Now, the easiest way to do this is basically you have to zoom in a bit. So use your control key and kind of the mouse scroll wheel on your keyboard. Oops, I went over the edge over here. And then just screenshot this. So you can use any screenshot tool on your computer. Doesn't really matter. I'm going to use this one. There we go. And then I'm going to actually save this as a screenshot into my downloads folder. Okay, there we go. I now have this image in my downloads folder. Then you want to go to Google. So I'm going to go to Google and I'm actually going to just type in like a rotate image online like this. Oops, this is glitching a bit for me for some reason. Let me just actually zoom in. There we go. Okay, that's going to be fine. And yeah, so you want to go to rotate image online and I'm going to use this one. It's up to you whichever one you want to use. And then you want to drop in your image. So I'm going to drop in my screenshot over here. And let's say I want to rotate this. I can go ahead and just basically click advanced here and I can select how much I want to rotate. Let's say I only want it rotated for about, let's do 18 degrees over here. There we go. And I'm going to click on rotate. And that's how it's going to look. Now, I'm not happy with this, so I'm going to change this to 13, and I'm going to do rotate again. There we go, that's much better. And now I'm going to just save this as a PNG. You can use any tool. I'm just using this one, the first one I found on Google. And then here, it's going to save your PNG. And here, I'm just going to come back into my document, delete this one. And what I'm going to do is the following, okay? I'm going to go to sign up top. And I'm going to actually click on create your signature and I'm going to do upload image. Here I'm actually going to upload the one I just downloaded, which is this one. It's rotated. I'm going to click on open and it's going to basically save this as one of my signatures. There we go. And I can go ahead, click on sign. And as you can see, it's down here at the bottom. I can just click on it and I can place the image that way or the signature. And there we go. My signature has been rotated. Now, that's how I've been doing this. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.